Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is sound of A. E sound A. E sound A. In this session, we will understand the sound of E, which is A. Let us see the video and understand sound of A. Here we will see a picture and try to find out the words with A sound. E, A. Here we have picture. Jet, j at jet. H at n hen. P at n pen. D at n den. R at the red. P at pet. Key, n at net. Here we have so many words with A sound. E sounds A. Here we can see words with A sound. Let us read them again and have a look closely. J at jet. J at jet, which is flying up. H at n hen. H at n hen. P at n pen. A girl has pen. R at the red. This girl is wearing red color clothes. Red. Here we can see a den. D at n den. P at pet. This dog is the pet of girl. Pet. Key. Net. Here you can see a net. N at net. Students, as you saw, all these words sounds blend together and make words. These are the A sound words. Let us move forward and see the words more. Read more words to learn. We have H at n hen, M at n men, P at n pen, T at n ten, Z at n zen. All these words are with A n n. A n n. All these words are with N sound. Pen, hen, men, ten, zen. All these are rhyming also to each other. Matlab, all these are ending with the same sound. Next, we have the words with egg sound. B, egg, beg, egg, egg, l, egg, leg, p, egg, peg, r, egg, reg. All these words are with egg, egg sound. Egg, egg sound. Beg, leg, peg, reg. All these are rhyming to one another. क्योंकि सारे ही एक ही sound से end हो रहे हैं. So that means they are rhyming words. Next we have at sound. At sound. N at net. G at get. L at let. J at jet. W at wet. All these are with at sound. Net, get, let, jet, wet. Again, words are rhyming. Yes, they all are producing the same sound by the end. Let, net, jet, wet. Next, we have eep sound. When there is double E, that produce long sound, which is E. Which is E. B, E, P, beep. D, E, P, deep. J, E, P, jeep. K, E, P, keep. P, E, P, peep. When there is double E in the middle, that produces E long sound. Beep, deep, jeep, keep, peep. All these are 4-letter words. These are 4-letter words. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are used in this. That's why these are 4-letter words. Next we have E sound by the end. Words के end में, letters के end में लगा हुआ है E sound. That produces the same E. B, E, B. F, E, fee. N, E, knee. When K is before N, K is silent. So there is N, E, knee. S, E, C. T-R-E, tree. All double E produces E sound. The short E and the long E. Here we have the long E sound. Keep, fee, knee, jeep, all these are with E sound. And above we read A sound. La, at, let, pa, ag, peg, z, an, zen. Let us move forward and see more words which are rhyming to each other and with A sound. With A sound. Here we have egg, leg. You can see egg and leg. Egg, 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 leg. Egg, leg. Next we have is hen, pen. H, n. Hen, p, n. Pen. Hen, pen. Which are rhyming to each other. Hen, pen. Next is net and wet. Clothes are wet. गीले हैं तो गीले के बोलते हैं wet. This is net. This is wet. Net, wet. Again rhyming to each other. Net, wet. Next is bee, knee. In this picture you can see bee. Bee is an insect and the knee. The part of our body, knee. Bee, knee. Both produces E sound. Bee, knee. The long E sound. That's all, students, for today's concept of sound of E. I hope all of you now aware with E sound words and now recognize them, read them. That's all for today's session.